And let me go to the battery settings and show you the, as you can see here, the battery percentage is of right now 100%. So now I'm install the two SIM cards, so two SIMs. So throughout the test, I'll be turning off the Wi-Fi and mobile data completely off. So this just an standby test, how much the battery will be draining for every 1 hour we'll get to know in this test. As you can see, let me disconnect the cable. Let me start the stopwatch here. So again, I'll be back after a couple of hours. So as you can see here guys, I disabled everything. So right now there is no power saving mode enabled in the device. So without power saving mode enabled, let's see how much is the standby mode in the Realme X2 device. If you are just turning off the phone and keeping aside, so how much it will drain throughout night time. So let's check in this video. And don't forget to check the playlist of Realme X2 device, so you can find plenty of videos on the Realme X2 phone. So again, I'll be back after a couple of hours. So as you can see here friends, it's been more than 1 day continuously. I put the Realme X2 in the standby mode without even using the device. So as you can see right now, the battery percentage is of 93%. So overall there will be drain of 7% if you're keeping your phone standby for continuously about 24 hours. So for 1 day, 7% got decreased in the Realme X2 device. So by taking this into the calculations, maybe we can see the standby mode up to maybe more than 5 to 10 days is possible in the Realme X2 device if you're just keeping the phone separately, so without using the device. But that's not possible. At least you will get some messages and some calls, so you can expect quite a little bit good standby mode possible in the Realme X2 device. So even with the normal minimum of use, you can expect 2 days of battery backup in the Realme X2 device, so without any problem. As you can see, even the draining in terms of the battery is very low. So that's it guys. This is a quick review and of the battery backup of the Realme X2 device. So for more videos on the Realme X2, don't forget to check the playlist of Realme X2 phone. You can find a lot of various tests which I did on the Realme X2 smartphone. So see you in the next video guys, and then stay tuned. Bye.